Hello everybody, welcome back to my 15-minute French. Today we are going to learn time and number in French. So let's get started. Okay, in this part you have to practice, you have to test yourself to count in French from 1 to 10. So when you want to say 1 to 10 in French, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a reservation. In French, you can say j'ai une réservation. J'ai une réservation. The meeting is on Wednesday. You can say la réunion est mercredi. Okay, so continue. In this word, you have to remember time, expression. For example, 1 o'clock, 5 after 1, quarter after 1, 1:20, 1:30, quarter to 2, 10 to 2. So in French, you can say 1h, 1h05, 1h15, 1h20, 1h30, 2h moins le quart, 2h moins 10. I read for you again. 1h, 1h05, 1h15, 1h20, 1h30, 2h moins le quart, 2h moins 10. Okay? So there are sentences you have to use every day. So when you want to ask some people for the time, you used to talk in English. What time is it? What time do you want breakfast? I have a reservation for 12 o'clock. So when you want to say this sentence in French, you can say quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? À quelle heure voulez-vous le petit déjeuner? À quelle heure voulez-vous le petit déjeuner? J'ai une réservation pour 12 heures. J'ai une réservation pour 12 heures. Okay? In this part, you have to, we are going to remember higher number, which means start from 10. Okay? So when you want to say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40. In French, you can say 11, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40. I read for you again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40. Okay. 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100, 300, 300, 1,000, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, 200,000, 200,000, 1 million, 1 million. I read for you again. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 300, 1000, 10,000, 200,000, 1 million. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching this video. So if you think this video is useful, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.